baked spinach with cottage cheese. It is very delicious and very nutritious also, with all the spinach and the cottage cheese and the processed cheese.
200 grams cottage cheese, half cup cheese, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 500 grams spinach, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon refined flour, 1 tablespoon salted butter, to taste salt and pepper, to taste green chilies.
We need some spinach and we'll boil it with a little bit of water and just half a teaspoon of baking soda so that the spinach remains green.
In a wok, heat water and put the spinach. Please keep it open. The moment you close or cover the spinach, it will turn brown. The spinach cooks in about, say, 3 minutes. Now heat some butter, ginger, add ginger, onions and green chilies. Saute till the onions turn translucent. Be careful. When done, you have to add the spinach, the pureed spinach that you had kept aside. Add the tomato, add the spinach puree, add the salt, pepper and cook for a minute. Keep aside. It's cooked. In another pan, heat 1 tablespoon of butter, add 1 tablespoon of refined flour, mix well, add in milk and keep stirring so that lumps are not formed. It can be done with the help of a whisk also. Now add salt and pepper. Keep stirring till the sauce thickens and there are no lumps. Now add the cottage cheese and mix well. Both the elements are prepared.
Now we are going to make some layers of spinach and cottage cheese with white sauce in this dish. The first layer will be of spinach. Spread it nicely on the base. Now put the cottage cheese with white sauce on top of it. Next, again put the layer of spinach on top of it. And the last layer is going to be of this cottage cheese. Make it so that it looks nice and colorful. Last of all, put the processed cheese on top. Spread it nicely all over. This is a very nutritious and a very tasty dish. It's quite delicious, even the kids love it. Now we are going to bake it on 180 degrees till this cheese is nice, crisp and brown. Now we are going to taste it. Let's see how it is. Take all the layers so that you can get the taste of all the three things. It's awesome. It's delicious.